Welcome to this small tutorial on handing in your full paper. The full paper has no author information still, which means that instead of the author names, you write blinded, or you delete the authors altogether and you also don't mention yourself in the references. Instead of yourself and your colleagues, you write blinded, or you don't mention that reference at all. So let me share my screen. I'm here trying to upload my paper. It is late. I'm in stress. What do I do? First, I have written my paper in Microsoft Word using the template. That's good to know. Because if you write it in anything else, like on the Mac Pages or in Linux or Windows, whatever, StarOffice, OpenOffice or whatever, the template will break and you will get huge trouble. So use nothing else but Microsoft Word, please. So here's my paper. I have a paper. Here is the PDF for that very paper, and I've packed those two together into a zip file, which which contains these two files. So everything done, but no, not everything done. Still some things to do. After doing this, I open my paper because I will need to paste some info into the system before I can upload. Okay, here's my paper. Now I'm going to the OpenConf system. Before I can upload my paper, I must make sure that the info contained in the paper is the same info that is in OpenConf. So I click on Edit Submission. I must know my submission ID. In my case, it's 399. In your case, it will be another number. And I must know my password. Here you have the option of entering something if you forgot your ID or entering something if you forgot your password. I will not go into this. Once you are in the system, you will see that there is a checklist, and read through this checklist. Yes, 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 yes. It's already very helpful if you do this, yeah? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, this is the full paper, yes. And now let's compare. The author is not compared to your paper because this submission is blind. Yeah, doesn't matter what is entered in here for this stage. But what does matter is the topic still the same? Is the topic area I want to be in still the same? Also, this doesn't matter so much because there will be another submission like the camera ready paper. What really matters is this one. Updated full paper content. Now, submission title is what? Let's put this thing over to the left and let's put the other thing over to the right. As we can see, the title has changed. It is now this title. So I'm getting a hold of this one on the right and putting this here on the left. So now, how about the keywords? Oh, these have changed as well. So I copy and paste inside here the keywords. And now the abstract is supposed to be the abstract paragraph. Please don't copy the word abstract point and space. Just copy the actual content of the abstract. Copy and paste. The references, okay, those won't be checked, but I want to make sure everything matches perfectly. So, I mean, the references will be checked, but on your paper, not on this field. I will copy here those references into the field here. Perfect. And then I think I'm done. I don't forget to press Submit Changes so that the system updates the metadata for my paper. Click. Perfect. Now I'm clicking again on Home. Click. And then I can upload my file. Click. I need to know my submission ID, which is 399 in my case. And then here I can choose a zip. then I will need to locate my prepared zip file. And this one will be uh, my paper. Here is the zip file. Wait a moment until this field is populated with the name, then press on Upload File. Oops, I already selected that. Forgive me. Now, okay, too many references do not use the conference author year style. So it seems that these references are bullshit. And it is right, because it expected here a number. Yeah. So this is in order, but the word date doesn't qualify as a number. Yeah. So I can fix this in rather a short time. In your case, it should all be okay because you have written numbers and not date as a word. And they should go, there you should go, be okay, no? Uh, no date. Okay, that might be in order. So let's see whether that works if I have fixed this and I produce my PDF again. Oh, save as PDF. Such a suspense here. Ah, perfect. Now I have to close the Word file so that that can zip PDF and Word. Yeah, it's being generated. Ah, come on. So over to the folder. So I think everything is in order now. So this can be closed. Close Word completely. Those two, delete the zip file. Those two together and make a zip. It's perfect. Now I can, your file was not uploaded. Yeah, I can do this again. Click on Home, upload file. My number is known to me. Choose the file. And upload the file. And once I'm correct, the system doesn't complain for nothing. You know, it has a reason. It says, this is wrong because. So if there is something wrong, as we had in this case, don't think that it's stupid. Read what it says. And at all times, there is at the bottom of the error page, there is my email. So if you have a problem, if you're frustrated, if you're about to give up, don't. Click on this, write me a mail, I can help you. Yeah, but please also read what the what the system wants from you, right? Good. With this, I wish you a happy full paper deadline. I will make another one of these videos for the camera ready deadline. I hope you will have no troubles in now getting through the process of uploading your paper. See you. Goodbye.